Hey yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Sauce coming back at y'all with another video, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all get curly hair, something like this. So yeah, so we're gonna get straight into the video, push all the other stuff to the side, and yeah, so let's get straight into the video. And make sure you guys follow all my Instagrams and stuff, all my social medias, and I'll put everything is right up on the screen right here, or you could go follow it right here. My Instagram is Robert W. Craig. Everything is description if you can't find it. And make sure you go spam my new picture right here to 300 likes, or at least 500 likes. I'm gonna push it up to 500. Make sure you stay tuned with my Snapchat. Y'all could go fuck with it. And yeah, it's RobertWC28. I'll post all my stuff on there when I'm posting a new video, or what videos you guys want. So yeah, so let's get straight into the video. Alright, so the first step you want to do, make your hair curlier. It's not curly yet. I mean, it's a little bit curly, but the first step you want to do is hop in the shower or whatever. Make sure it's on hot water. It doesn't have to be too hot. But yeah, so you can turn the hot water on, wash it out with dish shampoo. I recommend using this one. It has a bunch of oils in it and stuff, coconut oil. It'll help define your curls, make them curlier. So yeah, so let's get into this. Don't use conditioner. Just about that much. Alright, so then after, you just want to get the towel. Don't like scrub it super hard, just scrub it like really light, like this. Just like tap it. Alright, so after you dry your hair's not going to be fully dried, it's going to be wet just like this. So then I recommend get this. This is the best product. You will thank me later. Multicultural Curls, Miss Jenny's. It has a bunch of oils in there that's good for your hair. It defines your curls more. I mean, you can use Cantu as well, because everybody else uses Cantu. Y'all see their curls, they look fire too, but promise me you won't regret this. Get this. I'll put a link in description for it, so you won't miss out. So then you just want to get like 2 little fingertips, like that, one like that, one like that. You can put more in later. That's all you need. You just scrub it in your hair. Put it all in your hands first. Just go back and forth. Make sure it's all in your hair. And shake your hair a little bit so it gets together and stuff. I'll put a little more just because my hair is a little long. Put just like one little more. That's all you need. Rub it through your hands again. Make sure you don't scrub it on it like it's soap. Just have it spread out through your hands. Put it in. You can play with your hair a little bit if you want to. Spread it out even. Make sure it looks how you want to. Yeah, so there is your curls. And then I'll show y'all as soon as it dries up what it looks like, because obviously it's still wet. It's not going to be like the final product that you want. Alright, so after you wash your hair out or whatever, and then put all your product in, the product I told you, put that product in. You won't regret it. Or you can put some Cantu in, it'll probably have the same exact result, except when you put this stuff in, it'll get like a little hard, but it'll still have like that wet look where it makes it look like extra curly. So this is how your hair is gonna look most likely if you have the same type of hair as mine. And if it does dry up a little bit, just put a little water on your hand and just rub it in like this. Go like that back and forth. Don't put too much water or it doesn't make your hair wet and you have to like restart all over again. And if your hair does get out like this, like where it just like tangles all up, just get your pick or whatever and then just pick it right out. It'll just get curly again. I'll put some pics up right here too of my curly hair, and so y'all can see how it looks after the process. Alright, so that wraps up the video. If you guys want more videos, and just comment them down below and I'll do whatever videos you guys want me to. And I will be doing rating my subscribers 1 through 10. So I'll put my Instagram right here. It'll be right here on the screen. Y'all could go follow that and DM me a picture of you. And make sure you subscribed. And you'll be my next video rating my subscribers 1 through 10. And I'll just put my Instagram right here, just to make sure y'all know which one it is. Make sure you like my recent. Get that at 300 likes. And make sure you add my Snapchat if you haven't yet. For the focus. Right there. Make sure y'all go spam on my recent. It's RobertWC28 for my Snapchat. And yeah, so make sure y'all go follow all my social media links. And if you do have any more video suggestions, make sure you suggest them down below in the comments. And subscribe if you're new. And like the video, get this video up, share with your friends if they have curly hair or if they want curly hair. And yeah, so I'll see you guys next one. I'm out. Peace.